Hey guys, it's Purple Phantom 04 here, coming at you with another airplane review. I know, sorry, I promised my Holly Master F-105 Thunder Chief would be my next airplane review, but something else came before that, which I didn't order the F-105, but something else more important came before that, before I was able to do the video, and that was me and my girlfriend's 1-year anniversary. And this Delta 737-700 by Gemini Jets was one of my presents from her. And so I figured I have to, in honor of our 1 year, I have to, not have to, but I should, and I am doing a review of one of the airplanes she bought me before I do that. So, as I said before, yep, it's a Gemini Jets Delta 737-700. Regular Gemini Jets box, blue. Yeah. Back and everything. 2008 release. Take a look at the model there. You're gonna stop or pause it and read it. Yeah, you can. But alright, let's get to the model. Here's some of the technical parts of the dimensions and things. So yeah, speed, all that stuff, registration engine. Alright, let's do the unboxing. There it is. This is a very nice model. I was really happy that she got me it. And it's not like it was like #1 on the list, but it's one of those ones that just like is going to try to because the first airplane I opened from her is a Delta. I think this is the first one I opened. I believe this one was, yeah. And so I'm only gonna let her get me Deltas or stuff or something that say she gives me an Amazon card, or her family gives me an Amazon card or something like that. I'll only buy Delta for her because I'll say that's kind of our airline, I guess you could say. But yeah, Delta 737-700 Gemini Jets. So yeah, let's get to the review. The other side's basically a carbon copy of this, so I'll just start with this side and I'll just give you a glance at the other side. There's Delta titles, SkyTeam logo, cockpit. Even this small of an airplane has the detail of the windshield wipers, which is pretty awesome. The winglets are really nice too. There's one of the lights there too. Delta logo on the tail fin. Registration is November 301 Delta, Quebec. The doors, entry door, very detailed. Emergency wing exit, very detailed. And there's some arrows there, not as many that are on the other airplane she got me, which is a oh gosh, Southwest 738, also Gemini 400. That has a few, I don't know what do you want to call them, but there's some things on it that make it like, they might be returning it for me and getting me a different one, because there's smudged, it looks like there's some smudged paint and a nose wheel's missing, so yeah. Back view. Same thing on the other side. At the bottom, little too. Nose gear. They don't roll. See? Doesn't really roll that well. Yeah, Gemini Jet. There's Gemini Jet's logo. Stand hole, wheel wells. Engines. There's a rear cargo door, front cargo door, Delta titles again. It's I really like this airplane. I'm really happy she got it for me. I put out a lot of people in my family hopefully are getting me Gemini Jets for Christmas this year. I believe I'm going to be getting the Allegiant MD-80 from my one aunt and uncle and cousins. From my uncle, a different uncle, I believe I'm going to ask him to get me the British Airways World Cargo 747-8F, which would be really awesome. Then I think my girlfriend might be getting me the Herpa, or either that or she has it, the Herpa one and only Antonov AN225. That thing is humongous. I've never seen it, probably never will, but you never know. I thought I'd never go to Hawaii, and I went there 2 years ago, so I guess anything's possible. Yeah, can't stop saying enough about this airplane, especially for its size. I mean, look. This is my pointer finger. About pointer finger's longer than the airplane, so pretty small but really detailed. So yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see, what will my next video be? I promise, yeah, I'm gonna super promise that my next video will in fact be that Hobbymaster F105, because it is a really nice airplane, and it is like, it has some air intake art, and it's Memphis Belle too, which is I actually saw the movie Memphis Belle when I went to Oshkosh back in, I believe, 2007. That was an awesome experience going to Oshkosh. If you ever get the chance, go. It's awesome. I went for the weekend with my dad and one of my best friends. So yeah, it's Purple Phantom 04 with my new Delta 737-700. Comment, rate, subscribe. See you next time, definitely with the F105. Thanks a lot. Bye.